Tsdz8. Hi, Happy New Year 2025. I'm up in the hills with a bike. I love mountain biking, and I just want to give you a bit of feedback on the Tsdz8 I've been running. I've had it now 3 months, and what a motor. Tongsheng, you really up the game. I've been using the Tsdz8, first one and the second one now for 2 or 3 years, and that's a good motor. But when you're mountain biking, it does cut the chase, it does do the job. But for the same money, you can get this 750 watt Z8, torque up to 160 Newton meters max, which is that's just massive. And I'm a big lad, 6'1", fat, 18 stone. I don't care what about my weight. 53, but I've been biking 30 years. This motor here, I'll just show you now. So far, the quality of the build, the torque that you get, the torque sensing, just gives you that natural feel when you're biking. That's the biggest thing. Yes, Bafang, fantastic motors, but the cadence sensing, you don't get the sense of what this gives you. This is torque sensing. It just feels like you're Superman on a bike. And I just check this out here. So this is my 29er Hello Dave on one. Absolutely fantastic bike, steel frame. I've had loads of full suspension alley bikes. They've always fallen to bits because I just hammer them. I've been using e-bike motors for years now. I actually developed one in 2003 called Ibex Power Biking. I'm using SLX drive chain, a KMC e-bike chain, and that's key because I've used all the other chains and they've fallen to bits and snapped. Especially with this torque. I've got a homemade 36 tooth front cog. No, 34 it is on the front. 34, you need that for mountain biking, and a 48 on the back, and it's ideal because this run I'm doing here is Keegan's Lane, and believe me, I mean, it's stunning. It's a stunning area where I live, and this trail that I'm going up to now is going up to Mole Arthur, Mole Vamai, and basically the incline there is really challenging. Got a throttle on this as well. That is just awesome. When you just need, you go through some technical and you can't pedal because you're the gyroscopic effect or you're imbalanced, this motor just kicks in. Yes, it's not legal for the road, so only use it off-road. The geometry on this bike is just stunning, absolutely stunning. I've got a 30 Shimano RockShox E-Shock on the front, 160mm travel. I've got a full suspension post at the back. That's Thud Buster, that's fantastic. I used all the others. That's had a lot of wear, but still working really well. 2.5 inch travel there at the back. The biggest thing is my battery pack. That's a 48 volt, 15 watt hour battery in there. Weighs 3.8 kilo. It's on my back. But when it's on my back, you look at the bike. Just have a look at the bike. When it's on my back, it's just, you can hardly tell that's an e-bike apart from that motor at the bottom. Tsdz8 is a bit bigger than the its little brother, but to be fair, it just feels solid. The axle feels solid. For 240 quid just for the motor kit, it's just stunning, absolutely stunning. And yeah, I just thought I'd give you some feedback, guys and girls. If you've got an existing bike, mountain bike, I'd seriously consider getting a Z8 put on the thing. If you put the battery on the bike, unfortunately batteries look big and bulky and spoil the dynamics of the bike. People say, oh, if it's in your backpack, what happens? Well, I've got a tether here and it just pops out. So I have come off many a time. I've had no trouble, just pops out, no hassle. I've been using this pack for, I'm not messing, 15 years. All different battery packs are much safer now. And yeah, just hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.